I'm going to teach you how to do a basic step of hula named Kaholo, which is the double step to one side, double step to the other. Okay, we're gonna begin by doing 2 steps to your right or to your left if you're mirroring me, but I am doing the right, so I'm gonna call it the right. And you're going to open your legs about hip width apart only. Now you bring the foot together, and now you're gonna do about half of that step, so smaller. You open, and now you tap with this one. You tap with the ball of your foot. Now we repeat that to the other side. Step about hip width apart. Bring the foot together. Step about half of that step, and tap. Okay, let's practice just that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 Good. Now we're gonna add bending of the knees. I teach the Aha style, which is really deep bending, because deep bending has deep hip sway. Now you may have seen some that are not as bent, and they're perfectly fine. They come from another genealogy, so they're not wrong. But here we're learning the deep bending. So let's bend deep. Keep your toes slightly open to the sides. I forgot that to mention at the beginning. Your hula posture, we're not dancing with your feet like 11. We're not going this. Also, no pigeon toe. So slightly your toes open out, just slightly, don't force them, just a little bit. Okay, so now bend, and let's do the 2 steps. Step together, step, tap. Step together, step, tap. Step together, step, tap. Step together, step, tap. Another important thing, you want to keep shoulders, hips, and ankles aligned. So imagine it's a full straight line here. Once you bend, you don't want to push your booty back or forward. You want to stay in alignment, going straight down, right? Okay, now we're going to be adding our hips. Every time that we step, we're gonna sway, but not at the same time that we're stepping. So we're not gonna step and sway at the same time, because it would look like this. The sway has a little bit of delay. We go in preparation position on the opposite side of the hip. So if we're going that way, we go in preparation position with a hip here, and we sway after the step. So we step first. See how my hip is inside? The other hip is the one outside. So we step, and now we sway. We sway. Now I have the same, but on the opposite side. This hip is inside, this hip is outside. Now we pick up this foot and bring it together, and once it touches the floor, we sway the hip to the opposite side. And now we're back to our original position, and we do it again. We step. The half step, remember, is smaller. So we do our final sway. And then there is no sway in the tap. We tap. And now we repeat the same to the other side. We step, sway. Step, sway. Step, sway, and tap. Let's practice. 5, 6, preparation position. 5, 6, 7, 8, step. Sway, step, sway, step, sway, tap. Step, sway, step, sway, step, sway, tap. One more time. Step, sway, step, sway, step, sway, tap. Other side. Step, sway, step, sway, step, sway, tap. Now that we have that, we are going to be adding our hands. When we are going to the right, we have our right arm extended. The left palm is in the center, and it does not cross. It's not crossing the center of our chest. Our elbow is lifted, shoulder relaxed, and this arm, it's in a 45-degree angle, not completely on the side like this, but 45-degree angle here. So meaning 45 from, if it was straight and out, it'll be in the middle of it, right? So we add that, and then when we go to the other side, we add this. So let's practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, sway, step, sway, step, sway, tap. Other side. Step, sway, step, sway, step, sway, tap. Once more. Step, sway, step, sway, step, sway, tap. Switch arms. Step, sway, step, sway, step, sway, and tap. Now finally, you're gonna add your gaze. Our eyes always follow the hands when we hula, even when we're practicing. So if we're going that way, you wanna look past your fingertips, not directly at your hand. You wanna look past your fingertips, but towards that area. And same thing when you go here. Our neck remains elegant and elongated, our spine straight, our shoulders relaxed. So let's practice that last one. Roll your feet. They're naturally going to want to lift from the floor, so don't purposely just go like this if you're not bending deep, okay? If you're bending deep, they will naturally, your heels want to peel off, so you're gonna be dancing basically on the balls of your feet for the most time, but we're not purposely being on tiptoes. You will feel it with time, okay? And we're gonna roll the feet. Now, if you feel very confident, you can try swaying the palms as we go, just one full sway and smile. So let's go ahead and practice. 5, preparation position, 5, 6, 7, 8, and together, step, tap, other side, step, together, step, and tap, other side, step, together, step, and tap, other side, step, together, step. One last time, step, together, step, other side, step, together, step, other side. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.